It's the most wonderful time of the year. Consider this your first look at Google Pixel 11 series. We're sneaking a peek at 11, 11 Pro, Pro XL, and 11 Pro Fold. Let's do this. Hey techies, I'm Tasia Custode and welcome back to my YouTube channel where I share a ton of tech tips and Google content just like this. The all-new Pixel 11 series lineup is here and there are some new colorways. So let's start with Pixel 11. Our beauty base model comes in 4 colorways. 2 familiar faces, Frost and Obsidian, are back, but they are joined by newcomers Hibiscus and Pistachio this year. Hibiscus is a vibrant pink, while Pistachio is kind of like a muted light green. Size-wise, Pixel 11 is 6 inches high, 2.8 inches wide, and 0.3 in depth, weighing only 6.9 ounces. The 6.3-inch actual display and Gorilla Glass with Victus 2 remains the same from last year's model because, hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Pixel 11 features the same 12 gigabytes of RAM with over 30 hours of battery life that we saw with the 10, but improvements lay in a few areas. It's powered by Tensor G6, which I'm going to touch on in a little bit, and it comes with 256 gigabytes of base storage, and you can upgrade to 512 gigabytes. And this year, Pixel 11 has a thinner camera bar that expands the entire width of the device. And while we still have a 48 megapixel wide camera with macro focus, and there are improved zoom capabilities. There's a 13 megapixel ultra wide and a 10.8 megapixel 5x telephoto lens and super zoom up to 30 times. Most notably is the price change. This year, you're paying $100 more for Pixel 11. It starts at $899 US. And you know how much I love a Pro model, so we've got to take a look at Pixel 11 Pro and 11 Pro XL. Once again, you've got 4 colorways to choose from. Obsidian is the only color that makes its way from last year's model, but this is a matte finish this year. The 3 newbie colors for 11 Pro and 11 Pro XL are Canyon, Olive, and Fog. Honestly, these colors are beautiful. I get torn between matte obsidian and then the olive, which is like a muted, richer, deeper green than the 11's pistachio, if that makes sense. Olive is absolutely gorgeous in person. 10 out of 10 for aesthetic, or should I say 11 out of 10. Size-wise, Pixel 11 Pro is the exact same as Pixel 11. It's 6 inches in height, 2.8 in width, and 0.3 in depth, but the weight is ever so slightly more at 7.2 ounces. Now for Pixel 11 Pro XL, the size increases to 6.4 inches in height, 3 inches in width, and 0.3 in depth, with a weight of 8 ounces. Both Pro models features the same Super Actua display with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 cover glass, with Pixel 11 Pro featuring a 6.3-inch display compared to Pixel 11 Pro XL with its 6.8-inch display. For both models, Google says this is the brightest display yet with 3600 nits, and both models come with the base option of 12 gigabytes of RAM with the base 256 gigabytes of storage, or 16 gigabytes of RAM with 512 gigabytes of storage, or better yet, you can upgrade even further to 1 terabyte of storage. And they've both got that Tensor G6 chip, of course, and they've both got faster wired charging with about 75% charge in just 30 minutes. And let's talk more about Tensor G6. There's an all-new security chip, the Titan M3 coprocessor, and Google says Tensor G6 powers the most advanced on-device AI. But the thing I find most impressive is that Tensor G6 provides 50% more compute. It runs 3 times faster while consuming 2.5 times less energy. Yes, these are the updates we need from, frankly, all of our tech. Hashtag greener, cleaner, amen. Now let's talk about my favorite part of a Pixel Pro, the camera system, and there are a few notable things here. Both Pro models feature the Pro triple rear camera system we know and love with 50 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel ultra wide, and 48 megapixel telephoto lens. There are some upgrades here like a new sensor on the 50 megapixel wide, and we can now shoot portrait mode at 5x zoom. And Google says that thanks to Tensor G6, the Pro models can zoom even further. We're talking 120 times. So if you're pumped with 10 Pro's 100 times super res zoom, this is next level. I'm not kidding you, I got to see this demo firsthand and it is out of this world good. Make sure to look for a dedicated Pixel 11 Pro camera review because you know I've got one coming for you. And yes, my little eagle-eyed techies, if you notice something new on the camera bar on the Pro series, you'd be right. There's an all-new feature called Highlight, spelt H-I-L-I-G-H-T, because Of course. Effectively, Highlight is a multicolored LED light that's built around the camera flash. So it's a face-down notification and status indicator light for favorite contacts and for Gemini. We're kind of throwing it back to the old days of the notification LED. Google says this is designed to help you stay distraction-free, but also be alerted of things that matter when your smartphone is turned upside down. So for example, Highlight illuminates when your favorite contacts call you or when you chat with Gemini. And yes, you can set custom colors for fave contacts. Now, the verdict is still out on this, but at least my initial suspicions are this is actually going to keep us looking at our devices more, anticipating a notification, or as soon as we see a colored light from our peripheral vision, we're looking at our phones, somewhat unconsciously checking our notifications. Almost like that's part of the plan. Price-wise, Pixel 11 Pro is seeing that slight increase as well, starting at $1,099, and Pixel 11 Pro XL starts at $1,299. And of course, there's still another Pixel baby in the lineup, our Pixel 11 Pro Fold. 11 Pro Fold is available in two colorways this year, Obsidian and Olive. Importantly here, when it comes to the design, Google says it's 3 times more durable than 10 Pro Fold, 10% lighter, 1 millimeter thinner, and has the thinnest bezels yet. Folded, it's 6.1 inches in height, 3 inches wide, and 0.4 inches deep. Unfolded, it's 5.9 inches in width and 0.2 inches deep. The external screen size is 6.5 inches and the internal screen is 8 inches. Its Super Actual outer display is 20% brighter than last year's device, and the inner Super Actual display is more durable with improved crease performance. You'll love to see it. It features Tensor G6, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of starting storage. You can upgrade to 512 gigabytes or 1 terabyte, and it's got fast wired charging with 50% charge in 30 minutes. It's also got the advanced triple rear camera system, so there's a 48 megapixel wide, 10.5 megapixel ultra wide with macro focus, 10.8 megapixel 5x telephoto lens. And yes, Pixel 11 Pro Fold also comes with that highlight feature. And yep, you guessed it, Pixel 11 Pro Fold starts $100 more than last year's model, starting at $1899 US. All Pixel 11 devices are available on August 20th. Huge thank you to Google and the entire team for allowing me to get hands-on access early to this entire Pixel 11 series lineup. Pinch me. So what do you think of the Pixel 11 series? Are you gonna upgrade? Let everyone know in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, well, I wanna know. So give it a like, a share, or you can leave that comment below. You can click right about here to subscribe to my channel, and here for even more Google goodness just like this. You know you wanna. Thanks for watching. See you next time.